So this is our shower head, and this is what it looks like when the hard water has made deposits all over it. So one of the best ways to get rid of that is to use vinegar, just regular distilled vinegar, and a Ziploc bag. And I made sure that this Ziploc bag fit over the shower head. So I'm going to pour some vinegar in here. So I've got some masking tape here, and I'm just going to put the Ziploc bag over the shower head and close as much of the Ziploc bag as I can, and then I'm going to tape it with masking tape. So now the vinegar is up against the deposits there. Okay, so here you can see what the bag looks like on there. And if I close up, I hope you can see this, it's bubbling. It's actually eating away at the hard water deposits. So I just want to leave that on there for about half an hour or so, and then we'll come back and check it. So I actually left it on there all day because this one was really bad. So I left it on there all afternoon and evening. And this is what it looks like. It's a lot better. So now what I'm going to do is just take a little toothbrush and scrub off the rest of it that's on there. Hopefully most of that will come off. So I've just got an old toothbrush and a little cup with some vinegar in it, and I'm scrubbing the rest of what was still on there off, which it's not, it's just coming right off. There's one little piece here that probably didn't have the vinegar on it. So I'll show you what it looks like. And here it is, all clean. Looks like a brand new shower head. It's awesome. So there you go. That's all there is to it. You don't even have to do any work. So I may actually try that next time I need to clean out the toilet. I might empty out all the water from the toilet like I did in the other video, and then pour, I suppose it would probably take, you know, a whole jug of vinegar, I'm not sure, to cover all that, but just let that sit in there for the day, and then I could just go wipe it out, because really all it is scale from the water. Anyway, I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.